morning, my beauties, from the beautiful Castaway Cay. Oh my gosh, I had a voice crack there. Let me talk about last night real quick. That sailing bout, that was not it. Seas felt a little bit rough, but thankfully we are here now. We are stationary. I feel like I can walk and not slip and fall. So we got a lot planned. The first thing we have planned is snorkeling. I'm very excited about that. I've never actually gone snorkeling before, so that'll be a trip. I'm also planning on hopefully meeting some characters. That would be a lot of fun. Maybe get a thumbnail or two. I'm not going to spoil everything. Oh, Pluto's down there. So let's waste no time whatsoever. Let's head on out there and have some fun.
A few minutes later.
Oh my. Whew, it's a little windy out here. Oh my goodness. I'd say that usually happens when you're on the beach. Yeah, this is a little much. Alright, I say it's time to go check out some merch. For what I'm assuming is $35, this really cool goofy shirt says Ocean Air, not a care. Honestly, mood. I'm also getting into the sleeveless style of tank tops, so we have this Castaway Cay shirt. Looks really nice. Pretty simple graphic with Mickey surfing. For what I'm assuming is probably $90, maybe even $100 since these are exclusives. You have two styles of the Castaway Cay Spirit jerseys. You have a blue one and an orange one. I am digging the blue more. But obviously, instead of the WDW logo, you have the Disney Cruise Line logo. But of course, when you're at the beach, you cannot forget about the seagulls. And for $30, we have a whole bunch of different hats. Now this one right here, given the color, is really catching my eye. And of course, naturally, on a cruise, you gotta have your bars and your drinks. And if any of you are wondering, I am still trying to decide whether or not I should get a drink while on this cruise. I'm kinda close to getting one, but also not kinda close. But if we come over here, we have some pretty cool games. We got some frisbee golf going, we got some basketball, some Connect 4. We even got games like pool and checkers. We even got ping pong and foosball. All in all, there's just a lot of stuff to do here. Now I think this is where you rent the floats. I think because it's too windy, I know my mom rented a float. I think they canceled it as well as the snorkeling. Hopefully if this wind kind of clears, maybe they can restart all that stuff, because I was really hoping to go snorkeling. I would have gotten some really good footage from that. Ooh, Wandering Oaken's trading post. And sauna. If we look back there, I see a whole bunch of Olaf and Sven's sipper cups. Looks like the Sven sipper cup might be the more popular one. Oh, no, I lied. They're just assembled in a sort of checkerboard pattern. Those actually look really cool. Coming over to another shop, we have our Castaway Cay 5K shirts. These are really cool. Check out the back. Yeah, that's really nice. Now with the Castaway Cay 5K, I'll probably do it at some point today before we head on back. You don't actually sign up for it, you just kind of do it and then you get your medal and then you can buy the shirt afterwards. I think that's mainly because it just gets way too crowded for them to assemble a race on a small island like this. It just makes sense. Like this right here looks to be where the 5K starts. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I haven't done a full race since the 10 mile last year. So you know what? I'm in the mood for it. So we're gonna do it. But we're not gonna do it just yet. My running shoes are still back in the room. And even then I would have to change for it. I should mention too, I also hit a brutal leg workout. Probably one of the hardest leg workouts I've ever done. I'm not feeling anything just yet, but I'll probably start feeling something in the morning. And then over here we have Spring a Leak. So this just looks to be the little splash pad area for the little ones who might not want to go on the beach.
1 hour later.
Updates, because I'm very, very bad at updates. If you can't tell by my change of clothes and me struggling to catch my breath, I ran the 5K. Let me say, that was brutal. Probably because I haven't ran that kind of distance in a while. The most I run is a mile. I can run no problem. If I actually try to PR for a mile, I could probably get it in at least 5:10, 5:20, somewhere around that, nothing too crazy. But yeah, this 5K was brutal. But I did it, I'm happy, I'm satisfied, I'm proud of myself. But we are now about to check out Cookies Barbecue for lunch today. So from what everyone is holding, it looks to be just a standard old beachside buffet. So I'm pretty excited, let's go check it out. All right, got some chippy chip. Oh yes, they have coleslaw, yes! I love coleslaw so much. Grilled sweet corn salad. That looks good. Let's try it out. Got hot dogs, burgers. Let's get a burger. Say, do I just grab it like that? Let's grab a hot dog too, so why not? Oh snap. honey and bourbon glazed seared salmon fillet. Oh boy. And the desserts, we got chocolate brownies, lemon raspberry crumble loaf, cookies, cornbread. Oh boy. Let's not even hesitate. We're going for the cornbread. I love cornbread. Go grab a cookie. This cookie right here, really speaking to me. It's not even in frame, my goodness, Aiden. You do this for a living now and you suck at it. Let's try the crumble loaf too. And you know what? We'll try a brownie. Why not? We're treating ourselves tonight. I don't even know what I should start with. You know what? Let's start with the hot dog. A little classic American fare. It's good for a hot dog. I can tell you it's definitely a store-bought hot dog. The buns though, a little dry. Let's give this burger a try. I had to pick off the onions. Doesn't really taste like anything. Bun is still very dry. Yeah, that hot dog and burger, probably gonna get like a 4 out of 10. They're nothing special. The moment of truth, the coleslaw. Does it live up to my standards? We will find out. Not bad. It's more salty than sweet, and I personally like it the other way around, but it's not bad. I'll give it maybe a 6 out of 10. Now, I'm very excited about this salmon, but given how the food is so far, I feel like it's gonna be below average. And I'm right. This salmon has pretty much no flavor to it. Like, literally, no flavor to it. It's getting like a 3 out of 10. That is not good. Let's dive into the desserts. That doesn't even look like cornbread. This might be the lemon blueberry thing, actually. Whatever it is I'm eating, it's not bad. Like for island food, I guess it's more difficult because you're only here for so little time. You have to prepare this food as quickly as possible. But still, this food just isn't it. Oh my gosh. I just tried a piece of the cornbread. This stuff is drier than a Popeye's biscuit. Oh. There's one thing that can't disappoint. It's a brownie, but I feel like this one will. Okay. This one tastes like a cosmic brown. Now this, I can get behind. A little bit dry, but you know what? This one I'll give a good 7 out of 10. This brownie, I think is my favorite part of this entire meal. That's actually kind of sad. Now there's also the cookie. Okay. Decently soft, ginormous too. Flavorless chocolate chip cookie. My mom said she liked it. Not really a fan. What a shame. What a shame. Whew. This is just so windy. It's been windy like this all day. Water's a little woo. Oh man, honestly, I think it feels perfect because for a guy who just ran a 5K like an hour and a half ago, this is perfect and very beneficial.
A few moments later.
I say it's time to head back onto the ship, relax a little bit. I'm probably gonna go in the pool for a bit. Family, did we all enjoy Castaway Cay?
Yes, very much.
That was a very unenthusiastic thumbs up.
Tired.
No, actually, that thumbs up is me when I get off of Fast and Furious. Honestly, I'm just happy to get back inside and out of this wind. Whoa, you see that? Oh geez, that ship be moving. I'm just very, very happy with how this cruise has been going. Everything has been well, except for Cookie's barbecue, but we won't talk about that anymore. The cruise has pretty much been perfect. We made our way up to deck 11 just to see what all is about to go down for Pirate Night tonight. Looks like they're setting the stage for tonight. It's also worth noting that the pools are covered completely, so it's just a full-on stage or whatever. So maybe a dance party, maybe some meet and greets. I don't really know. Let's head inside Vanellope's Sweets and Treats. Oh my. It smells so good in here too. It smells like candy and sweets and ice cream. My mom's telling me how we're gonna do this tomorrow, Ralph's Family Challenge. Yeah, we is a very, very strong term. Personally, I could probably finish this entire thing myself if I wanted to.
Why, I haven't seen that kind of merrymaking and game playing since Captain Kidd was still a kid. Time's a band together and welcome the most adventurous swashbucklers ever to sail the seven seas! And the most fun bunch of pirates I know. Please welcome Mickey's Pirate Crew! Pirates of the Caribbean, welcome to all you Disney Dream Pirates!
If you be ready to meet the rest of Mickey's famous pirate crew, give me a loud pirate cheer!
Woo! Well done! And now, without any further ado, let's bring out the rest of Mickey's pirate crew! If you met the first Buccaneer would take to the pirate life like a duck to water, you'll be a duck! Please give a big Buccaneer cheer for Pirate Donald Duck!
Next be that dazzling damsel that captured this pirate's foul heart. While we unleash your pile of bombs, for look who it be, none other than Pirates Cay.
Hello, everyone. I set a course for fun. How about you?
For the could be, hit Pirate Goofy!
Wave the anchor! Hoist the gun! Swab the poop deck, you swabs! Oh, and don't forget to have fun, too!
And last, and certainly not least, be the charmer of all pirates and the beauty that's like Captain Mickey's very heart. Let your cheers rock the sea, for here be the fair pirates, Minnie!
Are you ready for pirate fun and adventure?
We sure are, Minnie!
Me too!
Away, 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 come here, the light we go. Away, 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 adventure's ready for you. Come on, you brave, you rock the knees, come live the life of pirate's life. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come live the life we love. With the sword in each hand, your life isn't far away. Away, 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 come live the life we love.
Hi, crew! And a big ahoy there to all of you, too! All right, big finish! Away, 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 adventure's ready for you! Come on, you brave and powerful, yes, we live the life of pirate's life! Come on, come on, come on, come on, live the life we love! With the sword in his hand, away, 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 live the life we love! Young and old. For Captain Mickey to officially accept you to his crew, you must first master the code as described in the articles of Mickey's Pirates Academy.
Ouch, what does that mean?
It means they need to do exactly as we do.
Oh, that's easy.
If you're ready for lesson number 1, all shout aye!
Aye! Well done! Here be lesson number 1.
Lesson number 1!
If ever a captain gives you an order,
Or asks you a question,
loud and proud, say aye, Captain, try it!
aye, Captain!
All together, once again, if ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud, say aye, Captain!
Louder! Aye, Captain!
Well done! Good for you! On to lesson number 2!
Lesson number 2!
Now we pirates be known as an adventurous lot.
That be true!
But we're also known for our celebrating. So, all true pirates need to know how to dance a pirate jig.
Do exactly as we do. Here we go! Dance like true pirates!
So, if asked, can you dance a pirate jig? Commence the dancing and make it big. Go!
Well done! Onward now to lesson number 3!
Lesson number 3!
Lesson number 3. Though we pirates do a lot of celebrating, it is a... say, besides celebrating, we pirates also need to appear fierce. Lesson number 3, strike a fierce pirate pose.
Try it with us. Reach down and grab your imaginary pirate sword and draw it to the sky. Now swing it to the left and the right and loudly shout, "Ha!"
Wow, that is fierce.
So fast. Can you all be pirate fierce? Song crew, you know what to do.
Before we move to lesson number 4, are you ready to take on more?
Aye, Captain!
Since it sounds like you want more, on to lesson number 4!
Lesson number 4!
Lesson number 4.
I'll give this one a go. One thing that we pirates are not is subtle.
Whoa!
Wow! Really?
Yikes! That smells worse than Blackbeard's gym socks.
The points be, we pirates always try to do things!
Loud and proud!
Especially when we sing!
And a true pirate's favorite song is one you all need to know. And it goes like this. Yo ho, a pirate song for me. Yay! So if asked, what be a pirate's favorite song? Loud and proud, sing along. Yo ho, a pirate song for me.
To make it into my crew, you must be the best! Are you ready for the last test?
Aye, Captain!
Alright crew, look alive! On to lesson number 5!
Lesson number 5!
Lesson number 5.
What does a pirate love more than anything?
The sea! The wind in their sails! Love! Adventure! And good friends!
Talking to a parrot.
Aye! Those are all well and good, but the answer is... treasure! Aye, treasure!
We don't know what it looks, we don't know what it feels.
And we love to shake our booty! So, when asked, what does a pirate love the most? Oh yeah, treasure!
Treasure!
Now shake that booty from coast to coast! Great job! Take cover!
Here up, heat, Captain. Come aboard, boys.
Abandon your stations or prepare to take cold steel! Aye, stand ready before we
Now arriving, please give a big Disney dream welcome to the new captain of this here ship, all the way from Neverland. It's Captain Hook.
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine! Mr. Smee, status report.
Aye, Captain. All loose ends are tied up, so to speak. The ship is now yours to do with as you please. Enjoy.
Oh, I shall. What's the matter, former captain? That got your tongue?
Now listen here, Hook. You may have the upper hand.
Oh?
Hook. But this is our ship, and I intend to get it back with a captain's challenge.
Blast that pirate code! Oh, very well. The terms. If I win, you walk the plank.
Agreed.
No!
And in the unlikely event that your crew succeeds,
We get the ship back. And you will leave, hearing all of us chant, Hook is a codfish, Hook is a codfish.
Hook is a codfish, Hook is a codfish. What? Too soon?
Do we have an agreement?
Agreed. Give them the next one. And make this one especially rough. Got it? Aye, aye, Captain. All true pirates enjoy a good celebration. Aye. If you are real pirates, let the captain see a true pirate jig.
Show 'em through and make it big. That's the way. You're doing great. No, it can't be. Speed, tell me I'm seeing things. If they fail to have true pirate ferocity, a certain former captain goes overboard.
You heard him. He wants to know, can you be pirate fierce?
So, crew, you know what to do.
They scared the wits out of me.
Get off me, you twit! And you, get up, you cowards! 'Tis I ask the next question. Answer me this. What is a true pirate's favorite song?
Loud and proud, sing along.
No!
Yes, yes, yes. That was the right answer, Captain.
So help me, Smee! I've got it! Prepare for your date with the plank, Mouse! Tell me, what do true pirates love the most?
Now shake that cruise on coast to coast.
Now! What the?
Again.
Jeez, the blue! This can't be happening!
Oh, yes, it can.
And it just did!
You can do it. Well, how good.
Hook is a codfish, Hook is a codfish.
Now see here, that's not very nice. Captain has asked you to stop. You're not listening, Captain.
Please, do something!
Come on, Captain, back to Neverland. Now, which direction is it from here?
Get me out of here!
Goodbye, Captain Hook.
Look out! Wait for me!
Hey, Misty!
Right behind you, Captain!
Oh, there!
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear!
Anyway!
The fact that they completely change up the restaurant on Pirates Night is incredible. Just look at the menu. If we open it up, it's a whole other menu. Well, you probably can't see it that well even when it's in focus, but still. I was expecting it to be the same menu, just different theming, different fonts, but no, it's an entirely different menu. That's fantastic. Because I was honestly planning on just getting the same stuff that I got yesterday, but now I'm like, wow, there's a lot of good stuff on this menu. So I normally don't film the bread service, but apparently we got Johnny Cake. Is this the Johnny Cake? No, this is the Johnny Cake. Last time I had Johnny Cake was at Mardi Gras, last year at Universal. Yeah, it's like cornbread. Not as dry as the cornbread from earlier. It was the sweet corn Johnny Cake that I had at Universal. That was one of the best foods I've ever had back then. We also have some mango dip to go with it. Do you know I love mangoes? Everyone knows I love mangoes. Oh wow, that mango dip really sells it. I haven't had crab in a long time. I like crab, at least according to the last time I had it, which was at a Red Lobster, believe it or not. It's good. I like it. I like crab. I like seafood. Try it. Try it.
I don't like it.
Try it. I'm gonna keep telling her to try it until she tries it. Alrighty, so we got the fennel, orange, and quinoa salad. This looks absolutely incredible. Honestly, I thought this right here was onions, but no, this is, what is fennel?
No idea.
Dad, you're good with food. What's fennel? Oh, come on. Someone's got to know the answer. Whatever it is, let's try it. Has a very earthy taste to it. Kind of like it, actually. Not too bad. Let's get an orange with that. I'll give this maybe like, go 6 out of 10. The presentation is really good. I think it's just that I've never tried fennel before. All right, so for the main course, I went for the jerk chicken. Now, I used to serve jerk chicken at Caribbean Beach Resort when I worked there in 2019. That's the main reason why I got this stuff, but also jerk chicken is really good, but also got a nice fried plantain going right here. I love plantains so much. Anyways, I'm really excited about this, so let's just dig in. Let's go for it. I'm excited. Whoa, that's got a lot of flavor to it. And you know what? I also made sure to cut up the second piece. That's really good. So juicy, so tender. This is getting an 8 out of 10. I think if it was just a little bit more spicy, it would get a 9. But for the flavor and the tenderness of the chicken alone, this is worthy of a good 8. But we also have some rice to go along with it. Gotta try the rice. Oh, that rice is really good too. I dare say this is a perfect Disney dish. Good chicken, good rice. I'm gonna rate this whole dish a 9 out of 10. Can't go wrong with either. All right, we got the macadamia cheesecake. I know that's not the entire name of it. Regardless, I love cheesecake. It's so good, but also we got a piece of like whipped cream or something right here. Okay, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. Okay, there's a very thin piece of chocolate. Okay, good chocolate. Scoop up the whipped cream and strawberry. Good whipped cream, good strawberry. Now I gotta get a piece of this. Whoa, that is some very, very creamy cheesecake. Yeah, we might just have to dig in like this. Oh boy, here we go. Okay, I don't feel like I got any cheesecake from that. I feel like I just got caramel, or caramel, I'm sorry. I'm a Floridian now. Did you see that?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
You know what, that's actually a really good thing that I had my napkin there, because that would have went really bad. You know what, I think we just have to switch hands, because I am right hand dominant when it comes to eating. Oh dang. Oh, that's immediately getting a 10 out of 10. This is very, very caramely, but that's okay. That is the creamiest cheesecake I've ever had. There is so much flavor to that. This is incredible. Easy, easy 10 out of 10.
20 minutes later.
All right, my beauties, just about ready to watch some fireworks. Oh my goodness, we already got a lot of people up here at deck 12. Either way, I'm excited. Fireworks at sea, think about it. And Disney is the only cruise line in the world that does that. That's pretty insane. Whoa! Wowzers, that was nifty. That was really cool. Nowhere near as intense as the Disney Parks fireworks, but still, that was impressive. Fireworks at sea. Probably the most unique fireworks experience you could ever have. Alrighty, my beauties. Well, after what I would say is a well-deserved week off, we're back with the Disney Cruise vlogs. Let's get the elephant in the room out of the way. The wind. Yeah, that was just an extremely blustery, windy day. Get it? Because of that, I don't really think we got to enjoy Castaway Cay, at least to its fullest potential. I mean, we did a good amount. I mean, we walked on the beach, we got to go in the water for a little bit. I did have some other clips, I just didn't throw them in there because I'm like, yeah, I don't really think they fit because there were like maybe 5 clips or so that I filmed with my phone. So yeah, that probably only would have lasted like 30 seconds. But aside from what we did, you know, the merchandise, the beach, the food, yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. If I could give it a quick rating, yeah, maybe a 3 out of 10, but other than that, yeah, we're not gonna talk about it. Personally, I think for what Castaway Cay has, it's definitely worth checking out. But in my case, just, yeah, I don't think we really got to experience it to the fullest potential because, you know, we were supposed to go snorkeling, we rented inner tubes, there were a few things that we were going to do, but unfortunately, because of the wind, we couldn't. Really, the only, I would say, extracurricular thing that at least I did was run the 5K. And even then, I can run a 5K anytime. The only difference was that this was basically a free run on an island. So hopefully, if I ever get the chance to go on a Disney cruise again, my next Castaway Cay adventure will be a lot better than this one. Now really quickly, just a little update for you guys. I'll make a sort of short-ish video talking about it. I've been going through a lot. If you couldn't already tell, I am no longer with the Walt Disney Company for reasons I don't really want to talk about. I was planning on making a video going over the whole thing, but then I decided, yeah, probably not the best idea. So while I will be continuing to vlog to my fullest potential now that I have this opportunity on my hands, just understand that I am going through a lot, and yeah, it is going to be quite the transition. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get freshened up because I just came from the gym. But anyways, we do this every single week, so make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Alrighty, my beauties, I love y'all. Take care, and I'll see y'all next time.